Benefits of solar panels installation for commercial and industrial facility to grow your business. Companies around the world are shifting towards cleaner practices. Solar power is environment friendly and cost effective for businesses. Installing a solar panel on your commercial property will lead to several benefits. In this video, we'll look at the top 7 reasons to install solar panel system for commercial and industrial facility to grow your business. First one is cut down the big electricity bill. Electricity bill can put a considerable dent on your monthly profits. Not to mention the loss of productivity during power cuts, solar panels allow you to power your business with free energy from the sun. An on-grid solar system will enable you to draw any extra energy you may need from the city grid. With solar power, you can utilize your fund to grow your business rather than just pay huge electricity bills. Second one is less dependency on the grid. Many parts of India still face regular power cuts and blackouts that led to the lower productivity and higher expenses. With an on-grid system, you can lower your dependency on the city grid and even earn through a net metering. Third one is ROI. Solar panels make your business sustainable and comes with an extended product warranty of 25 years. They work efficiently even after 25 years when purchased from the trusted project developer. Fourth one is solar rebate. The tax rebate benefits are probably to be the most transit to solar electric power. Also, local, state and central governments all promote the transition to sustainable, clean and effective solar energy. They provide some favorable tax benefits and financial aid services to express their support. Fifth one is better brand recognition. Companies that follow green practices are valued higher by consumers who prefer sustainable products. Solar power is an asset of your brand and will help you again for more significant market share. Government incentives also support green businesses. Sixth one is helping in customer acquisition. Because of the attention they attract, solar panel installation might also be a wise commercial decision. Specific customers value ecologically conscious firms and will choose your company above other because of solar panels. Solar panels also receive media attention due to the growing focus on environment consequences, particularly in the commercial setting. It is branding and marketing tactic. Seventh one is reduce carbon footprint. A business can impact the world in more ways. It has now become a social responsibility to adopt cleaner practices and make changes where we can. Solar is an easy and profitable way to do better for the world. Go solar.